huge amount of water washed away bridges, so it closed and we built it back better, more resilient and more accessible.
The surface of the trail now is a tarmac surface, so it's been used for wheelchairs, cycles, walking.
Everybody can use it now, not just some folk.
The school children use it in the morning to get to school. People use it for their morning dog walk. Plenty of people use it for commuting now as well between Threlkeld and Keswick for work.
I like coming down the line because I quite like talking to people. You meet hundreds of people every day.
There is a very strong connection with the community in this trail in terms of ownership of it and a care for it. People volunteer because they live locally or just because they use the trail daily.
It's very important for us. Probably a third of the customers that we have come up trail.
The town's hugely proud of the trail and sees it as a huge asset. The trails enhance Keswick as a place to live and to visit.